In the vibrant metropolis of Arcadia, where innovation danced hand in hand with ambition, there lived a young inventor named Max. With a mind brimming with creativity and a heart full of curiosity, Max yearned to push the boundaries of what was possible. He believed that every problem held within it an opportunity for greatness. Rather than seeking inspiration in books or classrooms, Max found solace in the bustling streets of Arcadia. The city, with its towering skyscrapers and bustling marketplaces, whispered to him, beckoning him to unravel its mysteries. Max thrived on the energy that pulsed through the veins of the city, finding inspiration in the stories of the dreamers and visionaries who had once walked those very streets. One fateful morning, while strolling through the bustling hub of innovation known as the Spark District, Max stumbled upon an abandoned warehouse. Intrigued, he cautiously stepped inside. The space was filled with forgotten contraptions, gears, and machinery. Dust particles floated in the air, illuminated by rays of sunlight that seeped through the cracks in the walls. With wide eyes and a sense of wonder, Max immersed himself in the remnants of forgotten dreams. His fingers danced across rusty levers, and his mind raced with possibilities. He could almost hear the whispers of the inventors who had once toiled within these walls, urging him to bring their creations back to life. Determined to revive the forgotten marvels, Max spent countless hours tinkering, adjusting, and inventing. His workshop became a sanctuary of ideas, where every failure was merely a stepping stone towards success. Max poured his heart and soul into each invention, infusing them with a spark of his own boundless energy. Word of Max's creations soon spread throughout Arcadia, capturing the attention of entrepreneurs, artists, and dreamers alike. They flocked to his workshop, eager to witness the birth of something extraordinary. Max's inventions were more than mere contraptions. They were works of art that defied convention and challenged the limits of what was possible. One of Max's most groundbreaking creations was a pair of levitating shoes that allowed the wearer to defy gravity. The world watched in awe as Max strapped on the shoes and soared through the city's skyscrapers, leaving trails of inspiration in his wake. People marveled at his audacity, his ability to reshape the world around him. Max's inventions weren't just about defying physical limitations. They were about igniting the flame of possibility within every person who witnessed them. His creations became a symbol of the power of imagination and the beauty of daring to dream. Max's YouTube channel, aptly named The Inventor's Odyssey, became a beacon of hope for millions around the globe. Through his videos, Max shared not only the process of inventing but also the stories of those who dared to challenge the status quo. He showcased individuals who had transformed their hardships into stepping stones towards greatness. Their stories touched the hearts of viewers, empowering them to embrace their own potential and chase their dreams with unwavering determination. Max's channel grew into a community of dreamers, a place where inspiration flowed freely, and impossible dreams became attainable goals. Together, they built a network of support, where individuals from all walks of life lifted each other up, offering encouragement and guidance on their own quests for greatness. Max knew that the power of inspiration lay not only in his inventions but also in the stories of those who had come before him. He believed that true greatness was not achieved alone but through the collective efforts of a supportive community. And so, Max continued his journey, fueled by the unquenchable fire within him. He vowed to create a world where everyone could embrace their inner inventors, where dreams were nurtured, and possibilities were endless. Through his YouTube channel, Max inspired millions to embrace their own inventive spirits, proving that within every person lies the capacity to shape the world in bold and remarkable ways. In the end, Max's message echoed across the digital landscape, leaving a powerful statement etched in the hearts of his viewers. Dare to dream, for within your imagination lies the blueprint of a world yet to be.